So we have got room 11, which, as you can see here, is the junior suite, and we are very, very happy with this. It's absolutely massive. Noah's already found the safe, which he's very much enjoying, aren't you? Yes. But as you walk in, that's the door we just came in, we've got bathroom over here, which is just very standard. You've got your soaps, your shower gels, your shampoos, mirror with a sink and a bath. We've got little bits of, there's a sewing kit in here. I've never ever been in a hotel that gives us a sewing kit. I've had to hide these up here because he was grabbing them, but they were placed on the holders on there. A shoe mitt, vanity kit. You've got a shower cap in there, a shaving kit. There's everything. So yeah, this is the bathroom. There's me, which is really nice. Just going to shut that because Noah keeps getting in there. And then this is the room. So we've got a mirror with like hangers, hairdryer, towels. There's an iron and an ironing board. Extra pillow up there by the looks of it. Got the sofa, which I think can turn into a sofa bed. Obviously, we've not tried that. Table, you've got another kind of counter and a TV up here. You've got, as Noah is giving us a great demonstration of, a safe that beeps with fridge. On the side, you've got coffee machine, kettle, and you've got different pods for the coffee machine, milks, biscuits, cups, saucers, coffee, tea capsules, sparkling water, which again, something I've never been given in a hotel before. Got a nice little table if you want to come and sit and do some work, which we've got a lovely view. This is room 11. I mean, it is just kind of trees, but you know, it's nature. It's better than the normal car park out of a Premier Inn that we have. So that's nice. And then the best bit of why we booked this is because tonight Noah will sleep in here in his cot with all this space, and then we have got our own room like we do at home. So we've got our own room in here, which if I just shut the door. So again, you've got the phone in here, you've got your own TV, bit of art on the walls, bit of hull. And again, you've got your own window to look out of that I think can open, at least a bit. Yeah, you can get a bit of an open on there. Lovely view. I can actually hear the birds if you can hear them. But this will then be our own space. When he's gone to bed, we don't have to sit in the dark and just go to sleep as well. We've got our own little bit of space to move around in. So we are really, really happy with this. This is literally probably the nicest hotel room we've ever stayed in. Definitely with Noah, we've never seen anything this nice. And the best part is, once we're done here, we need to go get a couple more bits from the car, like the cot. But then this has got its own leisure kind of space. So it's got swimming pool, gym. Hopefully, does it have a sauna? Don't know. But that is all open till, it is a bank holiday, but they're doing Monday hours. It's open until 9 o'clock tonight. Then there's a restaurant where we're going to have breakfast in the morning and possibly have tea there tonight. We're going to go see what it looks like. But yeah, just really, really happy. It's a really, really nice place. So we're going to go for a little wander, aren't we? Should we go back to the car, go for a wander? Yeah? But he is just loving exploring and that. Beep. Beep. Though if he does press the right combination of buttons, it actually does lock it. So we have to watch him a little bit carefully. But he's not got that far yet. So, should we go find the swimming pool? Yeah? Come on.